Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Reynaxis Solutions, I have a Canon MF3010 that was sent to us by one of our branches from Morocco. They said that they could not print properly. It is intermittent, meaning sometimes it prints nicely, sometimes it doesn't. And the paper is often getting caught in the rollers. Now I asked the boys to work on this one. So Elijah and Benjamin will be working on this. And I asked them to test it first before working on it. So what we're trying to do here is that we're going to test its photocopy function, see if the paper will go through nicely. There, as you can see, the paper went through, but there is an orange blinking light which indicates there's a problem with it. And as you can see, the paper has gotten stuck on the top roller, and there is a missing plastic roller on that side. That is why the paper is always getting caught. So let's go ahead and open the cover and see what's going on inside. Let's remove the toner. And upon inspection, you can see that there is a sticker on that side, and it's not just a small sticker. I think that the sticker has gotten stuck in the roller, the bottom roller, and we will have to pull this out slowly so that we can remove the sticker without damaging the rollers. And for problems like this, I need this printer to be disassembled and to be cleaned thoroughly, so all of those other leftover sticker inside should be removed. Now if you ask us why is there a sticker getting stuck on the rollers, this is because this printer is being used to print barcode barcode labels that we use for department or supermarket shop. Now I'm just going to let the guys work on this, disassemble this thing, and I'm going to speed up the video so you guys won't get bored with this episode. In this part of the video, Benjamin on the right is now helping Elijah to replace the broken plastic roller at the top there.
Trying to.
Now it's like a brand new roller again. Okay, we just let them continue with disassembling the printer, and they're gonna bring this to Lou later and clean this up.
So, dust the flame. Okay, hope so. Tayo Lucy.
On this part, we found out that there are some more residue or some more stickers that are left in the top rollers, and this roller is the most delicate of all because it's a film coated roller. Now that it's done, everything is clean inside, the stickers are gone, and the faulty part is replaced. Now we're going to do a test again.
Photocopy.
So we're gonna do one more photocopy again and see if it's gonna work flawlessly today. Again. Okay, so there you go. It's working nicely again. It's back to its former glory. And guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.